Hi, I'm Marty Cooper with AtlasIED here at InfoComm 2026. I want to talk to you a little bit about some of our brand new products. Our Smart Amplifier series. We have several amplifiers in the series from 600 watts all the way up to 2400 watts, 4 and 8 channel, with and without Dante. What you're seeing is here the front of the amplifiers. These are smart, they are plugged into the network. You can see the IP address right here, which I'll show you on screen here in a minute. They are all 1U. They only need to be 1U, and they can be stacked as many as you want. We don't have to have cooling issues, as it actually brings the air in from the front, pushes it out through the back. You can see a very easy laid out system here of inputs and outputs. We have several RJ45 connections. Some of our speakers can actually run power over RJ45 for some of our sound masking speakers. And then we have our network inputs here. There's 2 of them. They can actually be set up as a switch, so you can actually cascade down if you're plugging in several of them. And then also some of the models with Dante, you can certainly separate out the Dante from the regular network connection. So let me go over here and show you a little bit of what the smart portion is, the software side of it. We've got a nice graphic user interface. Again, it is browser based, and all we have to do is put that IP address in up top, log into it, and we've got our dashboard here. We can go down and set up all of our inputs, all of our outputs. You can actually go in here. We have power sharing, so I could actually vary the power. Every block of 4 here, I can vary the power. So I have 615 watts to split up and slice and dice any which way that I want, depending on what speakers and how many. High Z and low Z, so meaning I can go through here and tell it whether it's 8 ohm, whether it's 70 volt, 100 volt, 4 ohm, 25 volt, all that's done in the software realm. So lots of different options you can do here. This is designed as part of our Atmosphere series, but it could go with any application that needs smart amplification. And last but not least, let me show you the board layout inside. We decided it was such a good looking layout and very well done. Again, this is one of our 2400 watt 8 channel models. And again, we have some of the features, some of the things that make us a little bit different, and some of the details. Thanks.